What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a new video in my new series where we look at concepts in technical analysis. So the topic of the video today is the Donchian rule. It's a very simple one to understand, as we will see, not necessarily that effective and possibly a bit outdated considering when this rule was invented. So the Donchian rule stipulates that you buy or you sell when you see a breakout within the past 4 weeks. This is a trend trading strategy, meaning that if you see a buy or sell trigger, you'd expect the trend to continue in that direction. As you may recall from a previous lecture, a famous saying in technical analysis is, of course, the trend is your friend until it ends. And that's just to say that you expect the trend to continue in a direction until it changes. And the trend is something that you can see that's kind of similar to like a habit, for instance. Habits can change, but they're sticky. So essentially, Donchian channels look at 20 periods in the past. In this case, each period represents a day, and 20 periods represents 20 days, and that represents 4 weeks. And so the lines essentially take the highs and the lows of the past 20 days and simply plot them as we move forward. So you can see that at this point right here, this is the high. After 20 periods, the high fails to be met again, and therefore you see the Donchian drop off. So how do you use this? When a trader gets a buy signal with the Donchian when the highest high over the past 4 weeks gets broken. In other words, you would get that signal exactly right here. Or conversely, you would get the signal to sell when you hit the lowest low of the past 4 weeks and it gets broken. Now, just a quick word of caution. There's not a lot of empirical evidence supporting the Donchian move. As you can see from this graph, there are a lot of false triggers that occur, both to the upside and to the downside. So if you are going to use this, the best practice, in my opinion, would be to integrate proper risk management in your trading and maybe also pairing it with other indicators to get better buy and sell signals. One particularity of this indicator is something you need to stay aware of is the drop-off effect. So as you can recall, it's taking the high and the low of the past 20 periods. But when you move forward one day, it removes the last day that occurred 20 days ago. And if that last day happened to be a high or a low, you're going to see a drop-off. Sometimes that can create false signals. That's just something to be aware of. So that pretty much wraps up the video. To me, the Donchian is not something that I use ever, really. I think that there are much better indicators out there, like Bollinger Bands. And that's definitely something that I'm going to be covering in a future video. So if you found this useful, I would really appreciate a like from you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to write them in the description below.